Arrive in style with this 2013 Dodge Dart. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 12-volt aux power outlet located in instrument panel, 6-way manual driver seat, 6-way manual passenger seat, air filtering, driver seat height adjuster, front reading lamps, front seat active headrests, grocery bag hooks, leather-wrapped steering wheel and outside temp display. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.